Adding the new VoiceLine templates to your website is easy. Open your homepage and click Edit with Elementor. Once you are in Elementor, click the plus button to add a new section. In the new section, click the ProRadio Plus button, indicated by the purple P+ icon. Once categories are loaded, choose the VoiceLine category. From the available options, choose the one you like the most. Templates indicated by a P+ icon require ProRadio Plus license. Once you're sure, click the Import button. Wait a couple seconds and then check the final result. As you can see, we have a beautiful new section, including the VoiceLine widget. Save and check your new homepage. Feel free to edit the page to match your taste. For more info, visit pro.radio/plus.